First, we'll gather a thorough case history through patient interview and review of medical records. Through this review, we can get information about the concussion history, severity, and time post-injury. These are really important as more severe injuries are repeated injury can increase the likelihood of the presence of a motor speech disorder. We also want to look for things like hematomas, brainstem contusions, and other things like that. And these can provide possible etiologies of motor speech disorders. Pre-existing speech disorders should also be taken into consideration. Even if they were previously resolved, they can contribute to current symptoms. In the motor speech exam, muscular strength, coordination, speed, accuracy, and steadiness should be assessed during speech and at rest. Assess non-speech motor movement because these can both support the diagnosis and we can consider the impact on possible utilization of AAC devices.